Hey guys, Phil at TOMS Bronco Parts. I'm going to talk to you guys today about our door panels and installing them with the door cups. If you notice, the chrome trim on the replacement door panels here are complete compared to a factory original one. They would have nipped this lower chrome trim right here. So it really becomes a game of adapting your door cup with these new panels to get them to work. I'll show you once I pull this one off what I've done here in comparison to the stock one that I haven't modified yet. If you can see, I've kind of beveled this back edge right here, and I've also trimmed off this top amount to this top profiled edge of the door cup here. And I'll put these side by side so you can see the two and the difference. I've also taken a round file and I've notched out the hole a little bit for the two fine threaded actuator studs to come through. That way, when you go to install it, this butts up nicely up against the chrome trim here, and you put this into place and your two little studs will poke through a little bit higher than what the actual hole cutout is. But altogether, when it's all finished, it'll suck up tight and it'll have a clean look. And that way you can run the nice new parchment or black door cups with this door panel